This is the start. I missed the first start. When I got here earlier, I went straight up to the pinnacles. Pinnacles is this way. Grand Canyon this way. So let's go to the Grand Canyon. Okay. I'm not in the best condition right now, but let's just do this. Having hay fever. Just be careful. And then I'm tired. Let's go again. Just have to move the camera up, that way I can use both hands. There you go. I think I'm lost. No, I'm not. Okay, let's go. Nearly slipped here earlier. Nearly. Slippery up here. Check out the view. Fuck. Got tired. Tired. My nose become beer. Fuck. My eyes is like all fucked up. That's the tip of Grand Canyon. This is stairs. I'm tired. I hate stairs. Oh, fuck. Quick look back. Yeah, I hate stairs. I hate stairs. Okay, I'm done. Oh. Fuck, I'm tired. Oh. Okay, I'm tired. Water. I'm tired. This won't wait. I'm tired. I'm tired. Ooh la la. I can run this, but I need a car park. No cardio for the boy. Oh shit. Okay. God. It's not even a kilometer. And we're so fucking fucked. Okay. Here we are. Okay. So that's just there. Less than a kilometer. Going back to the bridge. Okay. I need food. Ugh. Okay. That's it for now, folks. It's getting dark. I could have gone to the Pinnacles, but nah. Okay. 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 I'm tired. I'm tired, guys. I'm tired. I get something to eat. Just gonna flip this on my hair. Oh, not there. Oh. Can't think even. I'm just nice lights, yeah. So let's just get something to eat. Okay. So I'll pack a lot in my bag, aside from the cameras, which I don't know where. What? Okay. Got some cookies and dried mangoes. Let's eat.